Hey guys, a very quick unboxing and review of a new product that I got from Home Depot, which is the Aprilaire Water panel. Let me show for what kind of product this is. This is to begin with. This is the water panel that's replaceable inside Aprilaire humidifiers. Let me show what this is. So this is a regular Moto 600 humidifier. Basically, what it has is it has a water valve, and a control unit over here. And usually, when you get into the winter season, where you have dry air, when you have a lot of dry air, you kind of turn this manual or semi-automated mode on, and all of a sudden through the automated valve here, it starts dripping a little bit of water on this water panel. Basically, the water panel itself is replaceable. You are supposed to change this roughly every heating season. You have a ducting, and it goes through after the moist air, after the moisture drips down through this panel, it spreads across, and the flow of air grabs the humidified air at this point of time and circulates it through the regular air handler. So usually this is something to replace. Usually every heating season, none of us are doing that, and to some extent it's because there are not too many alternatives of this thing, the water panel. It's by itself. You had to previously order it from Aprilaire. Now you can get it from Home Depot, which is very good. Aprilaire are a very good American company. As you see, this one is made in the USA. Very good American company. They produce very good number of appliances for air conditioning. They have phenomenal thermostats. They have pretty much good humidifiers, dehumidifiers, which you can see. It's amazing that this company has not been represented before in Home Depot and large box stores, but right now you can get the replaceable water panel for the Aprilaire Model 600. As you see, it's listed the models 600, 600A, and 600M. Mine is the Model 600. You can see it on the lid of the water humidifier itself. So basically, what you can do is you can get this one, or you can get like generic replaceable panels like this one. This one is Best Air. I think I got it from, I don't know from where, but it's a generic, and it's listed for a lot of humidifiers, and because of that, it's a little bit thinner. So with the Aprilaire EZKit, you don't get only the water panel. That's the whole point of getting it from there, is that it's not only the water panel itself. You get the entire frame. You get also the top part, which, believe it or not, is the most important, because you have the water line here. You kind of lodge it into this retaining eyelet here, and then it soaks around on this fabric, which I don't have on my original frame. I don't have this, and then it starts dripping down. It starts dripping down on this fine coated, seemingly like aluminum mesh. But one thing to keep in mind, that this is, you don't clean this. You don't clean this with solvents. You don't do anything. That's why they're meant to be replaced. Because see this let me try to zoom that in. this covering itself helps with spreading the water evenly across the entire mesh. So it's interesting to see how this works in real life. I mean, I run my humidifier during the winter because we get very dry air in the winter, and I've been getting this. I've been replacing my panels not as often as I should have, but yeah, it is something to consider. It is definitely a replaceable element that you need to do. So I'm trying to open this thing here, which is actually not meant for you to open, but I just wanted to show you how exactly this is working. So once this plate is filled with water from the valve itself, it starts dripping on those little sleeves. So it doesn't sound like much, but it starts dripping through all of those. Let me just try to zoom that in. It starts dripping from here. Yep, starts dripping down, trickling through the entire panel. And that's your panel. Starts dripping through that panel. And why I recommend using this is because the panel itself is a little bit thicker. As you can see, it's over 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters. Yep. And it takes a lot of water. It doesn't seem like much, but it takes a lot of water. It holds that water through this covering, through this plating, and it allows the humid air to the heated air. This is something meant for winter application, and it allows for this to go through and kind of humidify the air a little bit. The frame is perfect for Aprilaire 600. Has the drain hole at the bottom. I mean the slanted inclination here, so excess water drips out. And this is linked to your. This gets linked to your either your sump pump or your sink, or depending on your specific setup, it can be linked to like water drain or something like that. Obviously, Aprilaire manufactured it before, so there could be an easy attach for rebranding or something like that, which they didn't do, which I'm not surprised. They're a very good American company. They produce a lot of good stuff, and I'm happy to see their product right now at Home Depot, like a replaceable water panel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.